Okay, well, I'm on pole. I've got my pit speed limiter on. So I'm going to try that technique that someone suggested. Pit speed limiter. So I just take it off as soon as the lights go, I think. Keeps me to the right speed. And we'll see what happens. So this BM is definitely the quickest car here. I'm not the quickest driver, but it's so much easier. Just focus, make sure I go when the lights change. Come on, there we go, we're off. Yeah, I think that works. I'll keep to the inside. I've got a Mustang behind me, which is pretty quick. I tried that and was able to go nearly as quick as I could in the BM.
On your left side.
Not quite as quick, but pretty much there.
Hold your line.
Now I'm thinking this Mustang is not going to be able to hold this corner. So I think he's going to drop back.
Still there. Still there.
Yeah, he's dropping back. He's dropping back. I'll take the inside for here. We just about got it stopped. I'm determined to win this one from pole.
Good start.
So it might be not a lot to watch
Sector 2 is
you guys, but we'll see. I want to win it.
Sector 2 is clear.
Big crash behind.
Sector 2.
So I think as long as I can
We think that Johan
keep going at a decent pace, I should be okay. Okay, we're away.
Incident in Sector 3. Sector 3 is yellow.
Somebody else gone off?
We think Charette has gone off. Sector 3 is green.
So we've got 2 seconds.
The gap to...
We've got a Ford behind us. No BMWs behind us. That's good.
Sector 2.
So let's just see.
Sector 3 is now yellow. It looks like Oscar has binned it.
So if I don't run out of fuel.
Sector 3 is clear, green flag. You've just done a 141.79. Your times are good in all 3 sectors.
Okay. So we've got a bit of a gap. 2.4. If I get it to 3 seconds and sort of keep it there, I think I'll be happy. Well, you won't have seen a lot of that. So this will be just a short video. Testing out the overlay as well. So I've tried to put the replay on this time. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, short race. But yeah, I wasn't going to give that up. After getting pole, I thought, well, no, let's fight. Got ahead, and I think we're 13 seconds ahead now. So after 13 laps, so you can see we just had the pace. We weren't battling with anyone. We could just drive our own lines.
Well done.
Makes all the difference.
You deserve that.
Finished.
Today.
There we go. Okay then, so this was the start. So I'm just trying out the replay to see what it's like. It's a bit stuttery for my liking, but anyway, so this was where I really had to hold my own. This was sort of the only challenge of the race, really. That Mustang pretty quick, trying to go all the way around the outside. And I thought, well, I'll just tug the inside and see if he can see what happens. Just got a bit of an overlap, just enough to then take the inside so I can defend my line. And yeah, held on to it, got on the brakes just enough. He got hit behind, look. And that was it. That's all she wrote. I was off. And yeah, pleased with that. Okay, so the replay works, but it's a little bit stuttery. Anyway, let's have a look at the results. So here we go then. Here's the results then. So my best lap was a 41.2, which was the fastest lap of the race. So I'm quite pleased with that. And yeah, won by 13 seconds. So yeah, and BMW, the next BMW did a 42.5. So I'm guessing, yeah, somebody did a 41.4. So they must have had a problem at the start. They arrived at the back. Look. Anyway, let's see what that's done for our safety rating and driver rating. First, happy with that. Didn't gain any positions though. So, got some driver ranking, and got some safety rank. So it takes a long time, doesn't it, to get anywhere? So I'm driver rank bronze 3, safety rank bronze 1. So not quite sure if 3 is the highest or 1 is the highest. But anyway, I'm sure someone will tell me. Yeah, enjoyed that. 12 clean laps. I had a stop go when qualifying. I went out quickly and then didn't stop for the red light at the end of the pit lane. So that was annoying. But anyway, everything else, all good. So happy with that. Anyway, well, if you enjoyed that, I will be doing some iRacing stuff. I'll be doing some of that a bit later on today. So that'll be going up next week. But I thought, as I was on pole, I'd just do a quick recording. This hasn't been a long video, so hopefully you'll be looking forward to the next one. And if you are, then hopefully I'll see you next time at the track.